In this video, you're going to learn how to replace your CL-RF11 refrigerator water filter. Before you replace the water filter in your refrigerator, make sure the ice maker is turned off. Rotate the old water filter counterclockwise to remove it. Remove the new filter from the packaging as well as the end cap. Install the new water filter by inserting it into the housing and rotating it clockwise to lock it into place. Now flush 3 gallons of water through your water dispenser to clear any air from the water line and to check for leaks in the filter housing. Finally, turn the ice maker back on.